Okay, in the last class we had started with the problems. Okay, last class we actually had started with a problem. That is, we solve two types of problem. ಎರಡು ಸಲ problem ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. One was about just add a word ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Use word and then solve. ಅಂದ್ರೆ they will be giving the propositions, proposition P and proposition Q, and symbols ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ P cap Q. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು proposition P ಏನದ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಏನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಾಗ, ಈ ಸಾ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. Still many are coming. Okay, so in order to study the further, ಮೊನ್ನೆವರೆಗೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ, ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ that what is actually the importance of remembering truth table. Okay, so I think that everybody is clear with those two types of problems. Maintain a separate book for this subject because ella subjects sumne keladrinda agangilla. From today onwards I'll be giving some tasks. Okay, so in the last class we had solved the problem. So today we'll solve another types of a problem. Okay, we'll go ahead with that today. Fine. Okay, last class I just want to make you clear. Last class we had solved two types of problem. Okay, we had solved two types of problem. One problem was about statements, andre you use word and just write the statement. Any statement irli and idre and hakbeku, or idre or hakri, conjunction idre cap idre and hakri, we itandre or, then conditional ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if then. ಸೊ ಏನೇನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಂತನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ today we will see slightly different types of a problem. So apart from word, apart from truth table, apart from, listen carefully, somebody has sent me chat. Good morning. Okay, apart from word or apart from truth table, they may ask you to determine the truth value. Okay, till now we have seen, listen carefully, till now we have seen two types of problems. One was using word andre enu, it can be and, it can be or, it can be if then, so if and only, so on. It was what? Word. Coming to the second type, we have seen using truth table. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪಿ ವಿ ಪಿ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. We had written the truth table. Last class we have solved this problem. So in today's class we will solve another type of a problem called as truth value. In today's class we will see a problem which is related to a term truth value. Truth value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Whether truth value is same as truth table? No, truth value ಬೇರೆ, truth table ಬೇರೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ? What is the meaning of truth? What is the meaning of truth value? Now I'll explain this. Truth table is normally P and Q ಹಾಕಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅದ ಬರೆಯೋದು is nothing but truth table. Then what is this truth value? Consider a proposition P. Okay, consider a proposition P. I will explain here. Consider a proposition P. People will come late. Okay, consider a proposition P. 3 is a prime number. Consider a proposition 3 is a prime number. Now we need to judge here. Now we need to judge whether 3 is a prime number. Is it true or is it false? Whether 3 is a prime number, whether it is true or whether it is false. Whether 3 is a prime number, yes, 3 is a prime number is true. Is nothing but true. So the truth value is nothing but what? Truth value is 1. Truth value means what here? It basically tells us the truth or falsity of a proposition. True idre illi 1 ant hakbeku. One statement false idre illi enant hakbeku? 0. That is nothing but what? Truth value. I think this first only I have said, but still now if a problem sigbekaಗ್ತದೆ, so understand this, the value of truth value. Truth value is nothing but it is a value. It is a value. Value means what? Either 0 or either 1. Value means what? Either 0 or either 1. So truth value will be 0 when, a truth value will be 1 when. So truth value will be 1 when a particular proposition is true. For example, not A anta ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. 3 is not a prime number. Whether 3 is not a prime number, whether 3 is a prime number, you should have a basic knowledge. 3 is a prime number, yes, 3 is a prime number. The number which is only multiplied by itself is nothing but a prime number. 3 into 1 bitre yavadu barangilla, 3 anta result. So 3 is not a prime number anta illon statement declare madare namga. Yes or no? They have declared a statement called as 3 is nothing but it is not a prime number. Whether the statement is true? No, this is false. Why it is false? Why this statement is false? Because 3 is a prime number. This is because 3 is a prime number. So what happens here? Truth value of what is here, whether this statement is true or false, this statement is false. So the truth value is 0. Truth value will be given in terms of zeros and ones. How in word we had seen and or l propositions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ and ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಟಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ or ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಜಸ್ಟ್. Third type of a problem they may ask you is based on truth value. Truth value ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Truth value means either truth value will be 0 or either it will be 1 value. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ truth value 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ truth value definitely 0. So you need to be able, you need to judge whether the sentence what they have given is true or false. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಾಗ ಓನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗ ಅವರೇ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾವ, ನಾವು ದೆಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ √3 is a irrational number, then for example 1/2 is a real number. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರುತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ a truth value. Truth value has only two values, either 1 or either 0. Statement true idre 1, statement false idre 0. So next problem, coming 2-3 problems are based on what? Truth values. Find the truth values anta keltare. Truth values andre eno? 1 no 0 no find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Whether everybody followed this truth value, meaning of truth value, just raise your hand. Okay, Annapurna, just take your network, because for others it is visible. I don't know what's the problem with your network. Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the problems. We'll solve on 2 to 3 problems. Okay. No other option. You need to be perfect with the truth table of all logical connectives. Okay. They are telling here now. They are giving now here. Let we have two propositions. One is P, one is Q. Proposition andre one statement anta tilkori. Statement like 3 is a prime number, root 3 is a irrational number. Ee tara one proposition. So let or consider propositions P and Q. Where P condition Q is false. I think this is visible for you. Is false. They have given us, listen carefully, they have given us one declaration. Or kottar namaga. Em kottara? Let considering or consider. Let or consider. And right here consider. Better word. Consider two propositions. Consider two propositions P and proposition Q where P condition Q is false. Hangandrenu or kottbitter ivag namga. They have given us what is P condition Q? See here P condition Q. Yes, P condition Q. Now I will write the truth table. So only I told you always remember the truth table. Truth table are very, very important. I told you write for 2 to 3 times. It is very important for problems. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. What is the value of this? 1 1 0 1. I'll just highlight this. 1 0 0 is 1. Our normal condition truth table. Okay. 0 0 is 1. 0 1 is 1. 1 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. Now look at our condition. They have given what? P condition Q is false. What is this? P condition Q is 0. False andrena 0. Where is 0? Now search here. P condition Q. Where it is 0? Here it is 0. Again I am repeating. Listen carefully. They have given us P condition Q is false. False andrenu 0. Yes or no? False is 0. True is 1. Now we need to search in our truth table where P condition Q is false. We need to see what? Where P condition Q is false. Where it is false? Here it is false. So this is nothing but I need to relate here. So when P condition Q is false, then what is P? What is P? So P is equal to 1. Q is equal to 0, then we will get P condition Q is equal to 0. Okay, I think you are following here. I think you are following. Go according to my explanation only. Since they have given us, madam, if yaar kottari in textbook only, in while giving the question only, they will give. Each other conditions kotte kodtara. So truth table you need to be perfect. So from day one I am telling, be perfect with the truth table. Because I know the truth table directly hakkonde nanu. ನೀವು truth table ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So it's better you be perfect with the truth table. Okay. Fine. Okay. So P condition Q is equal to 0 anta kotar. We need to see where P condition Q. Here I got P condition Q is equal to 0 or false. So what will be the respective P? P is 1, Q is 0. P is 1 and Q is 0. So P is 1, Q is 0, then P condition Q is equal to 0. So what I got here now? I got the value of P and Q. So what I got here the value? P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0. PQ or separate kodangilla ondansari, they will make us confusions like giving this. Ee thara kotirtara namnave kandidibek P enada Q enada. Ondansari henge agtada directly kodtara P1 Q0 again R1 anta kodtara. Ondansari enagtada they will not give what is the value of P, what is the value of Q. What you need to do? ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋದು P ಯಾವುದು Q ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. Now I got here what is P and what is Q. It is starting stage. Then after this what is actually question? Now it is find the truth value of. I'll drop this. So then what they will give here? Find the truth value of find the truth value of find the truth value of first problem. See here P, I'll give something conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. We need to find what? Truth value. Truth value andrenu? Statement 1 idre truth value is 1. Statement false idre truth value is 0. Okay. Now P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. This is equal to what is P? What is P? P it is 1. Conjunction. What is Q? Q is 0. Okay, what is P? P is 1. How I got? They didn't give me directly. They didn't give me directly. So I need to use my mind. Idu kottara. Idrinda nan PQ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. So P condition Q conjunction Q is equal to P andre substitute. P is 1 conjunction 0. So now what? P Q P conjunction Q. I'll write the truth table. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. This is and. So 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is, please come on time. You'll miss the classes, so you'll miss the continuity. So 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 1 is 1. Andre eno? It is a normal AND gate. Okay, it is nothing but a normal AND gate. Now what I have got here? 1 conjunction 0. See here. What is 1 conjunction 0 is what here? 0. So the value of P conjunction is 0 or truth value is 0. You need to write like this. I'll explain once again. Listen carefully from first. They will give a question for us. Consider P and Q. Consider two propositions. Consider two propositions. One is P and another one is Q. They will not give separately what is P and what is Q. We need to find out by ourselves. ನಮ್ಮನಾವೇ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು P Q. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಬಟ್ P ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ Q ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. P ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ Q 0 ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ P ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ Q 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? when this is 1 and this is 0, this value will be 0. Okay, so I got here value of P and I got here value of Q. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ P ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ Q ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ P ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ Q? ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ p ಏನದ 1 conjunction what is q q is 0 so p conjunction 0 or 1 AND gate and 0 is nothing but what 0 so the truth value is 0 or ಈ ತರನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು truth value of p conjunction q is 0. We need to conclude. Let's see. I think you have followed. Whether everybody followed? Whether everybody followed? Raise your hand. Okay. Fine. Another one example. Idrage same. P and Q. Ida kottara P1 Q is 0. I'll take another one example. In an example, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Whether you are copying or shall I wrap? Just ping me. If you are copying, I'll wait. Or if you have copied, okay. I think everybody has copied. Copied, okay. Fine, I'll go to the next example. I'll wrap this. Take the second example. We will take the second example. Negation P, disjunction Q. Negation P, take the second example. Negation P, disjunction Q. Okay. We need to find out what? Truth table. We need to find out truth table. Okay. First, I'll solve this. I will solve this. Here, P. What I got here, P? P, it is 1. So, negation P is what? 0. First, I will solve whatever are within brackets, solve them first. Brackets ಒಳಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಗಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So, here what I have got here, negation P, I need to solve. So, P is 1. How I got here 1? From here, same example only, varieties ತೋರ್ಸೋಗತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, okay? So, P is 1. So, negation P will be what? It's reverse. Negation P is equal to 0. Negation P will be 0. So, now, what is negation P? From here, 0, disjunction. What is negation P? Negation P is 0. I think you're listening to me. Negation P is what? 0. From here, 0, disjunction. V and not conjunction, disjunction. Q. For Q, negation illa enilla, normal. What is Q? Q is 0. So, what is this? 0 disjunction 0? It is 0. How? See here. P, Q. P disjunction Q. 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. So, this is nothing but first. And for ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಷನ್ ಪಿ ಅದಲ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಪಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಅದ? ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಅದ. ನೆಗೆಷನ್ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲೈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಹಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆ ತರ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ 0 disjunction 0. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? P Q 0 disjunction 0. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಷನ್ P ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ? ನೋ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎನಿ ನೆಗೆಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಆ ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಹಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ there is no rule that you need to take here negation P. So just 0 disjunction 0 is 0. So how I got here? From this value. From this value. So truth value of negation P disjunction Q is 0. So the truth value of negation P disjunction Q is 0. It is 0. Followed everybody? Okay, now we can copy. So the truth value of negation P disjunction Q is what? 0. This is how you need to solve the problems. Followed everybody? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay. Okay. So, 2 problems I have solved. Another 2 you people solve today. Okay. Continuation. Solve this and submit. Another one thing I want to tell you people. Na class age yavade ಒಂದು okay. Na class age ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು I will give some examples. Homework ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರ separate ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Whatever notes maintain ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ photo, just click a photo and send me. Okay. Maintain only one single note till our college starts. Okay. Fine. And copy another 2 problems on this for homework. Okay. Third problem. Q condition P1 madri. Fourth, same question. Solve another 2 problems. Q condition P, negation Q, condition of negation P. Try. If you are not getting, I'll explain tomorrow. Fine. Try this. Copy this. Q condition P, then condition Q, negation Q, condition negation P. You try at home. If you are not getting, I'll explain tomorrow. Just message me, madam explain madri baravalta anta helidre. I'll explain tomorrow, not a problem. Okay. So this is what another type of a problem, that is truth table. So truth table ee taranu kodabodu namaga direct PQR kodalla, ee tara kottu confuse ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ solve ಮಾಡಂತನು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. So this is a one type. We'll solve another one type here. We have consider now consider 3 propositions P, Q, R where P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. Find the truth value. Okay. So in some cases ee taranu kodabodu PQR kottu adra value nu kodabodu direct agi. Then I ask us to just find out the truth value. We'll see this. PQR, we have 3. First I'll show only one example today. P R. Here notice here 3 are there. What I told you, first we'll solve within the brackets. First whatever is there we'll solve within the brackets. Amel horak baran. First I will solve this. What is P? What is P? 0. Disjunction. What is Q? 0. This R I will keep as it is. I'll write here P, Q, P disjunction Q. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay. Now 0 disjunction 0. What is 0 disjunction 0? 0 disjunction 0 is 0. 0. This is conjunction R. Now 0, this is conjunction, this is AND, this is OR. So symbols also play a very important role. Fine. So this is 0, this is this conjunction, this is R. What is R here? 1. 1. 1. Okay. Now we see here. I think this now what I want here? Conjunction I want here. I want what here? Conjunction. See here. P, Q, P conjunction, Q. Don't worry whether it is P, Q, R. Don't worry about that. Just I want a logic. That's it. Here, this, consider this to be P, consider this to be R. Q. That's it. Don't confuse, madam. Moor kotaralri P, Q, R. Don't confuse. First ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ P, ಇದನ್ನ Q ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ P, ಇದನ್ನ Q ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Actually it is R for our example. Generalize ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Consider it to be a P and Q. So I want what? P conjunction Q. This is like P, this is like Q. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. So what I have here? 0 and 1. So the 0 and 1 will be what? 0 and 1 is this one, 0. So this will be our result. This will be our result. So the truth value, the truth value of this is what? 0. The truth value is 0. Is 0. I think you are following. I'll explain it once again. Don't worry. Hardly I have another 3 minutes. Okay. I'll explain once again. Just see here. Sometimes hale problem na heng kodtara direct agi P and Q kodalla. We need to find by ourselves. In this problem, no doubt, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ propositions they have taken 3, P, Q, R. No doubt, they have given the value also. P is 0, Q is 0, and R is 1. Avare ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. So, they are asking us to find the truth value for problems. First problem is P. You need to know V andre eno, disjunction. Cap andre eno, conjunction. Okay. They have given us a problem P, disjunction Q, bracket, conjunction R. So I told you first we need to solve within the brackets. We need to solve within the brackets. So first I will solve these two. What is P? 0, disjunction. What is Q? Q is 0. First I will solve within the brackets. R hange itkolana sadyaka. We'll keep R as it is for now. 0 disjunction 0. What is 0 disjunction 0? Truth table ಹಾಕೋರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 0 or 0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 0 or 0 is 0. I'll rub this bracket if you're getting confused. 0 or 0 is 0. Then I've solved this, it's over. I've solved this, it's over. Then what is this? This is nothing but AND conjunction R. R. I need to solve this. What is R? See here, R is 1. So I have put here 1. So 0, this is what? Conjunction. This is nothing but conjunction. 0 conjunction 1 is 0 or 0 and 1 is 0. So the truth table of, so okay, what you can write here? The truth table of, you can conclude the truth table, the truth value, sorry, not table, the truth value of P, Q, R is 0. Like this, you need to conclude. Followed everybody? If you have followed, raise your hand. Or else I'll explain once again. Okay. I'll just see the chat also, whoever is asking me to explain one thing. Here in this case, somebody is asking me why it is, okay. They are asking here why it is 0, why it is 0, and why it is R. Somebody. I think this may be your question. If this is your question, this whoever is preparing your question paper, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಇದು ನಾ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಂತ. P, Q, R ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. It may be 1, 1, 1. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. This value will be given in by examiner, not by me, or question paper. Whoever